guess taking a step back from that is, where would you start? You're the CTO of, let's say, maybe an organization, like mid-sized organization.
Okay.
As broad of a term as I can use, mid-sized organization,
Yeah.
You want to leverage AI. You have perhaps the investors and others pushing you to leverage AI. Where do you start and how do you manage those expectations, I guess, that people have with what the roadmap looks like in the future?
The key is you do want to deliver near immediate value to the stakeholders, so you build trust with them that you know what you're doing, but you want to do it in a durable architecture. We've been talking about since 2019, the lakehouse concept, but just as important is the unified governance, that if everything's traveling through this unified governance, then you kind of train the brain that will be used in your AI, because you get smarter, semantics evolve, and things like that. So basically what I would do is I would stand up a proper lakehouse, not a fake house, modern lakehouse storage, Delta Iceberg, etc., with unified governance on top, and then get some of your data in there. Now, if you have big data islands with data gravity in on-premise systems, other systems, you can, mount those to Unity Catalog with Lakehouse Federation. And over time, if that's too much latency or egress cost, you can CDC that stuff in and have it local. But the interface doesn't change. It's in the same schema in Unity Catalog, and you can use that in your AI. So people have these massive data estates. Figure out an AI use case where the data it needs to be grounded in is relatively straightforward to expose through Unity Catalog, and make that be the first use case. And then as soon as you do that, put a Genie space on it. People can talk to it. Plug that through Teams bot framework into Teams. People can discuss that in their online meetings. And they've shown the value that this is real, that you can have this exposure of the intelligence and the data to everybody in your company. And then that'll incent the other teams to help you figure out how to bring their part of the data estate under the umbrella of Unity Catalog. The key is you want a durable system that you can keep adding data sources to and stitching together different types of agentic and other things too. And Unity Catalog is the broker for the data, and then Mosaic AI is the broker for the AI, leaves you ultimate optionality going forward. Give value, like when I'm meeting with a customer, I want them to leave the meeting with access to a Genie space. Because it's silly to talk about it, you have to really feel it to get the shape of it and understand what it can do.